Hi everyone and welcome to this edition of Prime Cuts. What we have for you today is 6 products, 3 new ones from Lucas and 3 tried and tested from the MRC. We have Smokehouse IPA sausage, Bengali burger mix and the Dill Pickle burger mix.
Also from MRC Flavours we've got piri piri half-coated chicken, we've got some spicy Mexican beef grill sticks and then some jumbo pigs in blankets with Kentucky bourbon.
For the first time in this Prime Cut, we're going to feature a QR code which will take you straight to a digital media pack.
Once you've scanned the QR code, you can take you to a folder where you can then download all the videos and images of all the products. This will help you boost your sales and let customers know that you've got new products in your counter.